Hey! I will quickly show you how to create a QR code using Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. This is a very easy and simple step. So let's do it. I gonna do it first in Microsoft Word. Let's say for example, I wanna make a QR code for my YouTube channel. We just need to copy the link and save it for use later. This goes to any type of links like document links in Google Drive, etc. Once you have the link that you want to make a QR code, all you need to do is to have an add-in to your Microsoft Word tool. Just click on Insert and select Get Add-ins. It will bring you to Microsoft Office Add-ins store. Don't worry, it's a store, but it's free. Now, search for QR4 Office. Then click Add. Oops. Make sure you are logged into Microsoft. Let me just log in and do it again. Once you have successfully acquired QR4 Office add-in, its taskbar will show on the right side. Just paste the link on the URL box to create your QR code. You can adjust its size. Or you may also change its colors. Once satisfied, just click on Insert, and there you have it. You can save it together with your Word document. Or save it as a picture. Just click on the QR image, then right mouse click and select Save as Picture. Now let's do it in Microsoft Excel. Since you have already added QR4 Office on your Microsoft Office add-ins, instead of clicking Get Add-ins, click on My Add-ins. Then click on QR4 Office. Then goes the same procedure as we did in Microsoft Word. Let's try another color this time. And that's it. I told you it is very easy. It's gonna be the same process in Microsoft PowerPoint. Again, the steps are: click Insert, select My Add-ins, paste your URL, then click Insert, then save. I hope this video helped. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.